The world of FPV flight is about to hit a wall, and DJI is the one driving the sledgehammer. For years, if you wanted to experience the true, visceral feeling of flying like a bird, you had to make a choice. You either spent $800 on high-end goggles that felt like a brick on your face, or you bought cheap, analog gear that looked like you were watching a television from 1985 through a screen door. But right now, something is shifting. In the secretive labs of DJI, a new project has emerged that is designed to kill the budget versus premium debate once and for all. It's called the DJI Goggles N3. And if the leaks are even half true, this is the most dangerous product DJI has ever released. Not because it's the most expensive, but because it's the most accessible. It is the gate opener. It is the device that is about to flood the skies with millions of new pilots. And if you're an FPV purist, or just someone looking to get their first pair of wings, you need to pay very close attention to what I'm about to tell you. We are standing at the edge of a new era of digital immersion, and the N3 is the heartbeat of that revolution. Why the N3? Why now? To understand the magnitude of this release, we have to look at the Goggles 2 and the Goggles Integra. They were masterpieces, but they were elite. They were priced for the serious hobbyist. But DJI has realized that the mass market, the people buying the Neo and the Avata series, don't want to spend more on their goggles than they do on their drones. The N3 is the answer to that problem. But here is the part that will make your jaw drop. Apple-level engineering is being integrated into an entry-level price point. The leaks coming out of the FCC filings and the supply chain indicate that the N3 isn't just a budget version. It is a specialized tool optimized for the new O4 transmission system. Think about what that means. O4 transmission is capable of near-zero latency and a range that can literally cross city lines. Putting that power into an N-series goggle means that the barrier to entry for professional-grade digital FPV has just been demolished. We are talking about a 1080p ultra-bright micro-OLED display that fits into a chassis designed for one thing: comfort. One of the biggest complaints in the US drone community is goggle fatigue. After 20 minutes, your face hurts, the lenses fog up, and you're ready to call it a day. The N3 is rumored to feature a radical new airflow design that uses passive cooling to prevent fogging while keeping the weight under 300 grams. It's a goggle you can wear for hours, not minutes. But let's talk about the secret sauce, the software. The Goggles N3 are rumored to debut with Shared Vision 2.0. For the first time, you won't just be flying alone. The N3 is designed to bridge the gap between the pilot and the spectator. Imagine being at a park in Austin or a beach in California, and being able to broadcast your high-definition feed directly to 5 other nearby N3 goggles with zero lag. It turns FPV from a solitary experience into a social event. This is DJI's play for the TikTok generation. The creators who want to share the thrill of a 100-mile-per-hour dive in real time. But there's a catch. And this is where it gets controversial. The rumors suggest that in order to keep the price of the N3 below the $350 mark, DJI had to make a sacrifice. They are moving away from the adjustable diopters found in the Goggles 2. Instead, they are using a high eye-point lens system that is designed to be worn over glasses. For some, this is a miracle. For others who hate